In the blistering dawn light, a Su-34 streaks across the sky, a twin-engined warplane born from the crucible of Cold War ambition. This is no ordinary fighter jet. It's a frontline bomber built to dominate, to deliver, to survive. In the era of drones, hypersonic missiles, and shifting battlefield strategy, the Su-34 stands as a symbol of advanced war weapons and raw military technology. Its roar echoes the converging forces of history and future war machines, a testament to Soviet engineering and Russian resolve. As we begin this journey, we peer into the heart of modern warfare, where the Su-34 has carved its name in combat operations, shaping the global military power balance in ways few other aircraft can.
The story of the Su-34 begins in Soviet war history, in a time when superpowers raced to gain air superiority. In the 1980s, the Soviet Air Force demanded a next-generation strike aircraft, one that could deliver heavy payloads deep into enemy territory while defending itself with modern defense systems. Designed in the Sukhoi Design Bureau, this twin-seat fighter jet evolved from the Su-27 family. It was more than an interceptor. It was to be a long-range bomber, a witness to evolving military technology. From blueprint to prototype, the Su-34 emerged as a powerful tool in the Soviet arsenal, a bridge between Cold War legacy and future war machines.
Unlike single-seat fighters, the Su-34 carries two pilots side by side, navigator and pilot, sharing space in a pressurized, armored cockpit. This design choice was more than just comfort, it was survival. In the theater of modern warfare, where surface-to-air missiles and enemy defense systems are ever present, the twins-in-cockpit arrangement offers redundancy, better situational awareness, and teamwork. Its strategic design meeting battlefield reality. This is not merely a fighter jet, it's a frontline bomber reimagined as a flexible strike platform for complex combat operations. At the heart of the Su-34 lies cutting-edge avionics, radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and onboard computers that transform it into a flying brain. Its modern military technology allows it to detect threats from enemy fighters, ground-based defense systems, and even drones. The onboard radar supports both air-to-ground and air-to-air combat, making it versatile in modern warfare. This aircraft isn't just carrying bombs, it's smart, discerning, and ready for the unpredictable dance of combat operations.
The Su-34 is formidable not just for its avionics, but for its payload. Beneath its wings and fuselage mounts lies a formidable arsenal. Guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, anti-ship munitions, and even air-to-air missiles. This plane can carry more than 8 tons of advanced war weapons. From precision strike bombs to cruise missiles to rocket pods, the Su-34 delivers a spectrum of destructive power. It brings precision to modern warfare, proving that in a doctrine built on battlefield strategy, loadout versatility is key.
The Su-34 is propelled by twin Saturn AL-31F or AL-31FM turbofan engines, delivering staggering thrust that allows it to cruise at high speed, carry heavy loads, and maneuver like a fighter. Its range extends thousands of kilometers, with in-air refueling capability, pushing its endurance even further.
In the age of modern warfare, such reach is essential. This is not just speed, this is strategic projection, a reflection of military technology built for long-range deep strike missions, capable of shaping battlefield strategy miles beyond the front lines. In a world of precision-guided munitions and anti-aircraft missiles, survivability is not optional, it's essential. The Su-34 is reinforced with titanium armor around its cockpit, able to withstand fragments and gunfire. Its fuel system is self-sealing, and redundant control surfaces keep it flying even when damaged. Together with electronic countermeasures, this level of protection rivals many modern fighters. It's a fortress in the sky, a testament to defense systems that push the boundaries of military technology in modern warfare. When the Su-34 first tasted real combat, it was over Syria. As part of Russia's intervention, these advanced war machines conducted precision strike missions, leveraging their long reach and heavy payload to support ground forces. In the swirl of modern warfare, they struck rebel strongholds, supply lines, and fortified positions. Their presence changed the dynamics of combat operations in that theater, providing not just brute force, but surgical accuracy, reducing collateral damage and projecting global military power into a volatile region. In the fog of modern warfare on the Ukrainian front, Su-34s have played a critical and controversial role. These long-range bombers deliver precision munitions, cruise missiles, guided bombs on key infrastructure, supply depots, and front-line positions. Their missions weave together battlefield strategy and geopolitical power, making them a central piece in the global military power puzzle. As Ukraine fortified its defenses, these jets test the limits of their defense systems and the risks of operating in contested airspace. The Su-34 doesn't operate in a vacuum. Across the globe, rival advanced war weapons compete for dominance. Western allies deploy stealth bombers and multi-role jets. Global powers build hypersonic strike systems and drones. In a world where future war machines are born, how does Su-34 compare? Its payload, range, and armor make it a heavyweight, but it lacks stealth. Still, in a dog-eat-dog sky of modern warfare, it often trades power for subtlety and wins when strategy demands brute force. As drones dominate headlines in modern warfare, the Su-34 faces a new challenge. Remotely piloted aircraft, loitering munitions, and stealth UAVs have reshaped battlefield strategy. But the Su-34 can serve both as a hunter and a sentinel. It can strike drone bases, attack control stations, and carry anti-drone missiles. It also operates with intelligence gathered by drones, coordinating strikes that leverage real-time reconnaissance. In this evolving domain, fighter jets and drones don't compete, they cooperate. The Su-34 hasn't remained static. Over decades, it has evolved with upgraded radar systems, new avionics, and the ability to carry newer precision-guided munitions. Engineers have tested future war machine upgrades, satellite communications, drones integration, or even hypersonic missile compatibility. In the ceaseless march of military technology, the Su-34 remains alive and evolving, ready to meet the demands of future combat operations. In modern warfare, Air superiority is backed by multi-layered defense systems. The Su-34, though primarily offensive, acts as a partner to ground-based air defense, fighter jets, and drones. It can suppress enemy radars, jam threats, and drop munitions that shape no-fly zones. This synergy cements its role in a broader doctrine where defensive networks and offensive strike platforms work in unison. It is an airborne spearhead backed by the shield of layered global military power.
Piloting a Su-34 is no small feat. Behind the armor and firepower are highly trained pilots, navigators, and captains working in seamless coordination. Their training involves long mission simulations, combat tactics, and mastering the weight of responsibility. In the cockpit, split-second decisions determine success or failure, life or death. Their bravery is woven into the fabric of modern warfare, a human core amid advanced war weapons and battlefield strategy.
A combat aircraft is only as good as the support that sustains it. The Su-34's logistical backbone rests on maintenance crews, supply chains, and spare parts. Its advanced war weapons demand precise handling. Engines need constant checks. Avionics must stay calibrated. Across remote air bases and forward operating locations, ground crews labor beneath the wings in scorching heat, freezing cold, or sand-churned terrain. This is the unseen machinery behind military technology, the support network that turns steel into a dominant force.
The deployment of the Su-34 is not only a military tale, it's a geopolitical story. As Russia projects its global military power, the Su-34 becomes a symbol of deterrence and influence. Many neighboring nations watch closely, assessing how advanced war weapons shift strategic balance. In times of tension, these bombers serve not just as tools of war, but as statements, powerful, visible, unwavering. The Su-34 is stitched into the fabric of international relations, and its missions echo far beyond the battlefield. While many warplanes cross borders through sales, the Su-34 remains largely a domestic asset. Despite its capabilities, its export has been limited. Its cost, complexity, and political weight make it a rare commodity. Some analysts argue that its potential as a tool of global military power is underleveraged. Others cite the stringent doctrine of production and deployment. Its scarcity outside Russia highlights how advanced war weapons are not just about technology, but about politics, economics, and strategic trust.
As global powers race into the age of future war machines, the Su-34 is a bridge to what may come. Concepts swirl of integrating hypersonic missiles, unmanned wingmen, and AI-driven targeting systems. Future upgrades could turn it into a mothership for drone swarms or adapt it for next-gen warfare. This warplane, once born from Cold War roots, may yet shape the battlefield strategy of tomorrow, melding old-school piloted strength with cutting-edge innovation in modern military technology.
In the mesh of modern warfare, the Su-34 does not fly alone. It operates alongside fighter jets, ground forces, drones, and satellite systems. On the battlefield, Its missions are choreographed with reconnaissance drones and defense systems, forming a layered strategy for strike, surveillance, and suppression. This synergy magnifies its power. Each sortie becomes part of a broader orchestra of combat operations. In that interplay, the Su-34 exemplifies how mature military technology collaborates within a holistic defense doctrine. The Su-34, nicknamed the Fox Duck, is more than steel and fuel. It is a story of innovation, endurance, and strategic might. From its Cold War origins to its role in today's contested skies, it has carved a legacy in war history and modern warfare alike. In a world where drones buzz, missiles fly faster, and future war machines are being born, the Su-34 still soars, a sentinel of strength, a monument to human courage and technological ambition. As we look forward, one question remains. In the next era of global military power, can a manned bomber still shape the battlefield, or will the ghosts of war be carried by machines with no pilots at all?